had to try using a cup in order for me to save my food. Everyone is using a wine glass. Guys, I don't own a wine glass in my house. Whenever I buy wine glasses, they break the day I buy them. So I gave up. So I used a cup. Anyway, let's make spaghetti and gizzards. So I really wanted to have some spaghetti, but I didn't have chicken breast or means in my house. I only had gizzards. So putting together everything that I have in my house, I decided to make this wonderful meal. As you all know, we cook on a budget. So we washed our gizzards. After washing our gizzards, we're just going to fry our gizzards. The green pepper that we had, green and red pepper. Guys, I had no onion. I didn't know that I didn't have any onion in my fridge. I just had the little bit. So we are going to blend our tomatoes. And then after frying my gizzards, I'm just going to put them in a separate bowl. Frying my onion nyana and some chili. And then we're just going to add our blended tomatoes. I'm going to now add all my spices to give it a wonderful taste, because this is going to be working as the base of our pasta. I'm going to start with my 7 colors. Guys, you know my usual spices. They do not change. And then the steakhouse spice. You can use any spices that you like and enjoy. We're going to add a bit of black pepper. And then after adding our black pepper, we're going to use the usual vegetable spice. And my vegetable spice is about to finish. The shop that I usually buy it from, I can't find it because I'm about to cry. Anyways, I will mix it together and I'm going to close my pot and allow all the spices to cook with the tomatoes as well. While we are waiting for that, I'm just going to add my water, put my salt, a bit of cooking oil, and then I'm going to add my spaghetti. So my water was hot, guys, but it didn't boil, but it was hot water. So wait for your water to boil. I wasn't patient. I'm very hungry. So I'm now going to add my gizzards in this mix and allow it to boil so that they can marinate each other. As you can see, the tomato paste has now thickened. The water that was in there has simmered down, and now we're going to add our green and red pepper. So after that's done, we're going to wash our pasta, put in a bowl. Don't forget to wash your pasta, and then we'll bring it into the mix it together, give it a second or so. My pot is hot, so I had to switch off the stove so that I don't burn. So I allowed the base of my pot to heat and mix everything up. If your pot is not hot, be patient with just low temperatures. And guys, guess what? We've got a wonderful and delicious meal at a low budget. Who said if you are broke you cannot eat fancy food? Let's get into plating. But guys, I really enjoyed this meal. Every day I cook, I'm starting to see that I need to open a restaurant. Guys, I'm joking. But anyway, I'm considering it because I need to share with everyone how you can enjoy a fancy meal on a budget. I cooked whatever I had in my fridge and I had the most delicious meal. It looks good. It tastes good. So guys, please don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. And if you have any other recommendations and recipes you'd like me to try, I'm open to it. Love you guys.